Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain Stirling interpolation formula. This is a central difference interpolation formula, and in the last video I told you two central difference interpolation formula. One is the Gauss forward interpolation formula and second is the Gauss backward interpolation formula. So in the Stirling interpolation formula, suppose we have a tabulated data and we want to compute the functional value at any value of the x inside the table. So this formula is applicable when u is equal to x minus x naught upon h, that is if the value of the u is greater than or equal to minus 1 upon 4 but less than or equal to 1 upon 4, that is when u laying between minus 1 upon 4 to plus 1 upon 4, then Stirling interpolation formula is applicable. Now formula is y of u is equal to y0 plus u del y0 plus del y minus 1 upon 2 plus u square upon 2 factorial del 2y minus 1 plus u square minus 1 square upon 3 factorial del cube of y minus 1 plus del cube of y minus 2 upon 2 plus u square minus 1 square upon 4 factorial del 4y minus 2 plus and so on. So here explain Stirling interpolation formula with the help of a numerical problem. Now problem is, so using Stirling interpolation formula to find the value of the y at x is equal to 32 for the data given below. Now x arguments 20, 30, 40, 50 and the y values corresponding to x arguments are 512, 439, 346, 243. So the interval difference h is equal to 10 because 30 minus 20 is equal to 10, 40 minus 30 is equal to 10, 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. Interval difference h is equal to 10. And we want to compute the value of the y at x is equal to 32. Since 32 laying between 30 and 40, 32 laying between 30 and 40, so we take the initial argument, that is x naught is equal to 30, then find the value of the u is equal to x minus x naught upon h. X is 32 minus 30 upon h is 10, that is 2 upon 10, so this is 1 upon 5 or 0.2, that is 0.2 belongs to minus 1 upon 4 to plus 1 upon 4, that is 0.2 laying inside minus 1 upon 4 to plus 1 upon 4. It means Stirling interpolation formula is applicable. So our aim to apply Stirling interpolation formula and compute the value of the y at x is equal to 32. So first of all we construct the difference table. Now difference table is the x arguments 20, 30, 40, 50, y values 512, 439, 346, 243. Now we taking the initial value of x is 30, so the value of the u is 0 and upper value is negative and below values are positive. So in that case corresponding to x naught, so this value is y naught, and the first order forward difference 439 minus 512 is minus 73, 346 minus 439 is minus 93, 243 minus 346 is minus 103. Now second order forward difference minus 93 plus 73 is minus 20, minus 103 plus 93 is minus 10. Now the third order forward difference minus 10 plus 20 is 10. So here y naught is equal to 439 del y0, because this is del y minus 1 and this is del y0. So del y0 is minus 93 and del y minus 1 is equal to minus 73. Del 2 y minus 1 is equal to minus 20 and del cube of y minus 1 is equal to 10. So in that case, using the Stirling interpolation formula, now formula is y of u is equal to y0 plus u del y0 plus del y1 y minus 1 upon 2 plus u square upon 2 factorial del 2 of y minus 1 plus u square minus 1 upon 3 factorial del cube of y minus 1 plus del cube of y minus 2 upon 2 plus and so on. Say this is equation 1. Now from the difference table, and we compute the value of the u is equal to u is equal to 0.2, u is equal to 0.2, and the table values y0 del y0 del y minus 1 del 2 y minus 1 and del cube of y minus 1. Now in this formula, del cube of y minus 2 and del 4 of y minus 2 are not present in the difference table, so we consider these values equal to 0. So in that case, y of u, that is y at x is equal to 32 is equal to y0. y0 is equal to y0 is equal to 439 plus u is 0.2 del y0 is minus 93 plus del y minus 1 is minus 73 upon 2 plus u square upon 2 factorial, that is minus 2 square is 0.2 square is 0.04 upon 2 factorial is 2 into del 2 of y minus 2 y minus 1 del 2 of y minus 1 is minus 20 plus 0. So because del cube of y minus 1 del cube of y minus 1 is equal to 10, and here we taking u square minus 1 u square minus 1 upon 3 factorial del cube of y minus 1. So this value is equal to plus u is 0.2, u square is 0.04 minus 1 square is 1 upon 3 factorial is 6 multiply by del cube of y minus 1, del cube of y minus 1 is 10, so 10 plus del cube of y minus 2 0 upon 2, and simplify this with the help of the calculator, then we obtain, so 439 minus 16.6 minus 0.4 minus 0.14, and after simplification we obtain 421.84. so value of the y at x is equal to 32 is 421.84. Now another question based on the Stirling interpolation formula. So using the Stirling interpolation formula to find the value of the y at x is equal to 25 for the given data. So x arguments are 20, 24, 28, 32. Y values are 2854, 3162, 3544, 3992. So when we apply the Stirling formula, so we obtain the value of the y at x is equal to 24. So here x is equal to 24, so we taking the initial approximation x naught, because 25 is laying between 24 and 28, so we consider x naught is equal to 24, so u is equal to x minus x naught upon h, and here interval difference h is equal to 4, because 24 minus 20 is 4, 28 minus 24 is 4, 32 minus 28 is equal to 4. So 25 minus 24 upon 4, so this is 1 upon 4, and this 1 upon 4 belongs to the open interval minus 1 upon 4 2 plus 1 upon 4. So in that case Stirling interpolation formula is applicable. Then after construct the difference table, and using the difference table, that is taking the values from the difference table and taking these values in Stirling interpolation formula, and after simplification, so we obtain the value of the y at x is equal to 25 is equal to 3250 approximately. So this is the value of the y at x is equal to 25. So in the next class I will explain Bessel's interpolation formula. So thank you very much.